In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the main features of the Point Cloud Cropping Tools plugin, version 2 for AutoCAD. As you can see, the plugin now has its own dedicated ribbon tab, which means you no longer need to select a point cloud first. The commands are now available globally. Compared to the previous version, which relied on AutoCAD's contextual tab, this is much more convenient. You also get toolbars that you can dock anywhere on your screen, which is useful when switching between tools frequently. Let's start by taking a quick look at the plugin's core setup tools. In the Settings dialog, I can define how the plugin works with multiple point clouds. I can use all point clouds by default, or choose the prompt option, which behaves just like standard AutoCAD, asking me to select a point cloud each time I run a command. Or I can set a specific point cloud as default, and all operations will apply to that one automatically. There's also a setting for insertion point monitoring, which I'll demonstrate in a moment. Next, we have the Attach Point Cloud dialog. It looks similar to the AutoCAD Insert tool, but it filters the file list to show only recap point clouds, which makes selecting the right file faster and easier. Alright, let's attach a point cloud. I'll leave the default insertion point at 0 coordinates. This is a common practice in modeling workflows because we typically want to use the original coordinates of the point cloud, so we can compare the scanned data with the model accurately. Now, one thing that can happen in AutoCAD is accidental movement of the point cloud. For example, if I click and hold the mouse during a system lag, I might unintentionally drag the cloud. And the problem is, this behavior cannot be disabled in AutoCAD. So now, after moving the point cloud by mistake, if I try to do something, like change the point cloud visual style, the plugin detects the change in the insertion point and shows a warning. I can either stop the command and review the shift, or, as I'll do now, choose to correct the position, and the cloud snaps back to the origin. If you're intentionally working with a shifted cloud, you can always disable this monitoring in the settings to avoid unnecessary warnings. Next one is the Point Cloud Manager. This is the default AutoCAD tool to quickly manage visibility of scans and regions within your point clouds. And the last one is License. Clicking this opens a browser window where I can manage my subscription,